Wow. Spare.
Mickey had to get down to the bowling lane and it'll let Mickey go down to the bowling lane and wants to use it to just win. And it would have been that taken for Mickey gets down to the bowling lane. And it's going to want to always into one the preferable. He definitely takes Mickey down to the bowling lane and won't get not going to that lane. But Mickey threw this is here. He threw this is one here. You know that nobody's in here to just you know that Mickey Mouse is joins in here. These slow motions and you can hear. And so now it's in here. Mickey threw in the bowling ball, and always you have to make sure that Mickey doesn't want to get down to the bowling lane. And Mickey gets down and all the way go to the bowling lane. And you know never takes in when it's to the bowling game. And this is what happens in your places all the way till we in here. It's Dr. Shinzlasane. Thank you for joining this video. Bye.